What's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Sega Genesis emulator with games on your Android phone and Android tablets. This is a great way to pass the time, have the kids busy. Also shows the kids the awesomeness of what we used to have back in the day with Sega Genesis. Retro games, in my opinion, are the best. But what we're going to do first is open up this website here, which is the link is down below for the ROMs. You click into it, you got Sega Genesis. Now, the emulator I'm about to show you to download is only for Sega Genesis and MegaDrive games. It is not for 32X. So, once you open it up, you got your list here. You got your A through Z, even your games that have numbers in the front. Click that there. You see, you have your BIOS and all that good stuff. But what we're going to do is download a game, and I'll show you. We're going to actually pick, let's pick Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Once you click that, it's going to open up another screen. You click your download. Once you get that, you're going to go and look for a direct download link. You click that. Then it's going to open up another screen where it says we're preparing your download link. And all you do is go down and you see how it's download direct link or direct link download. You click that. Boom. There you go. It's downloaded. Do not unzip it. The emulator actually plays off of zip files. So the next step you're going to do is open up AC Market. Now, if you don't have AC Market, the link is down below with the video of how to get. Now, when you click the search bar, you're going to write this in ANDROGENS. Once you click that, click that, it's going to pop this up here. What's really nice is this doesn't have any ads, so it's a straight emulator. So now all you do is you install. Once it's installed, it's going to pop up. You're going to click install. Let it install into your device, your phone or tablet. Once that's done, that's it. That's all you're done. Now, you hit done, hit the home button on your device. Now, since we already downloaded the ROM, we're going to move the ROM into the emulator file. It's real simple. You're going to open up whatever you have on your phone or tablet. It could be called My Files or it could be My Documents. You're going to click it. See, I already have the games there, but you're going to click and you're going to go into downloads. You see how we got Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? You're going to long press that. You're going to hit these three little dots here, the sub menu. You're going to click move. You're going to move it into the internal storage. Now, the emulator changes the name. Once you download it to your phone or tablet, it's going to change the name to Genesis. Click that. You see your ROMs? I'm going to click that. This is where you're going to put your game at. So once you open this folder, hit done. And you see how it added it? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. That's all. Now, hit the home button on your phone or tablet and open up your emulator. Once you open up your emulator, you're going to load ROMs, and there goes your games. Click Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It's going to open it up another folder. Click that, and that's it. Playing some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Oh, the one thing, you see this bar on the top? Just click hide. There you go. Click through it real quick. See, some games run really smooth. Some games are a little glitchy, but I have been using this for a while and it actually works really well. So, as you see, I haven't played this in a minute. But as you see, you have Sega Genesis on your Android device, phone or tablet. It's a great way to just kick back and relax, play some video games. from the old days. So if you like this video, click like and subscribe. And also, if I have any questions or any trouble with anything, just leave a comment down below and I will help you out the best way I can. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you.